Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do the first pair on your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. It doesn't really matter if it's an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is the same on the headphones itself. At first, if you know how to pair your device on your phone, you have to just go to the place where you want to pair your device, and now by default they are turned off most of the times, and when you remove the installation stickers you'll see just plain headphones that are turned off. So if you don't see these lights coming on and off, like this white lights that I've showed you in a moment, here and here also it was there, you have to remove the headphone and hold this button over here for 5 seconds at least, so that you'll see and these lights here emanating when placed in on both, of course, earbuds. Now once done, tap your earbuds in the headphones actually in the available devices list, and now if you tap pair you'll be all done. That's it of the pairing process. It's different rather than the other headphones, because most of the time you can just remove the stickers and you'll be ready to go. But yeah, that's how it works. Goodbye and have a nice day.